All right, guys, that's all the time we have for you today. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you learned something or you've never seen deckboard bending before, or if you like pizza, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the process. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.